Hello everybody and welcome back to another Earthbound Beginnings remake. Last time we talked to the Queen Maria herself. So we are going back. We are going back to the real world. So we've done what we need here. So let's go to the hole, to the wells on the western side. But before we head there, let's heal ourselves first. Okay, let's get the treasure chest here. Okay. Oh, googly eyes. Oh, shoot, ne. Here. It's keeper. Not much. Oh my goodness, dude. Good. My goodness, guy. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, got it. Okay, nice. There we go. No, not okay. Oh my goodness, dude. Really? What is it? You can do that. So that I can be updated. This episode is one that can be equipped. My conversations are always monologues. I'm a man who always alone since the moment I was born. Lucky, unlucky, it makes no difference to me. Breathing is about the best I can do. Why they keep insisting talking to me? I forgotten man too. Yes. Don't give me that garbage. There's somebody thinking of you. Just leave me alone and go back from where you came from. Wait, what? What the hell? Goodness sake, dude. Just let me cross there. Well, don't. Don't. Okay, an enemy. Ow! Defeated. Thank you for the XP. Oh, what? 11 XP. Later we will fight the dragon. Nice. Defeated. Okay, nice. There you go. Okay, defeat. Nice, 356. Okay. There you go. $146. Unforgotten man. It's not like I'm really here. You didn't have to notice me. Go ahead, ignore me. I'm the man who you bother. Ready. So I'm ready. Oh my goodness. Oh, answer then no, then yes. Okay, right, thank you. Okay, thank you. At least I can earn na. Should I at least ay sweet. Okay, let's talk to people. Oh man. There's some autos inside. You can fix it. Ay, nope. Wrong. Faded eagle. Okay. Oh. Do not do that. I really like the 16-bit version, man. The 16-bit the pencil. Point. May compass. Oh. Oh. Do not do that. Okay. Okay. Relax. Mary. Wait, what? Ow. Oh my goodness, dude. Man, I love this game. The most weirdest game, but hey. Okay. Scratch me. Oh. Then I will scratch you. $1,000 XP immediately, dude. Okay, Podunk. Let's go to Podunk later. I think next was going to the Sweet Little Factory. But for now, let's go back to Podunk after we recruited Lloyd. Okay, let's talk to people here. I heard the curfew in Podunk has been lifted. You know what that means, don't you? You can cross the bridge once more. Twinkle Elementary. Oh man, I love this game. Oh man, they faithfully recreated the game so much. I love it. But I don't like the random encounters though. Sheesh. What? Don't take me for an ordinary man. Although I am an ordinary man. Wow. Obviously, Duncan Enterprises is trying to open a strip joint in this town. I'm absolutely against it. Okay. So, well, let's see here. There's banana inside. Does it mean though? Who are you talking to? Well, I'm talking to the who boarded in the car. Who are in the car? Who is in the car? I told my kid to study first, then play Nintendo games later. Those are the rules around my house. Typical parents. Oh man, I cannot relate more. Oh man. Ayun. Don't need 10 seconds. Sony. New paper. In reality, like to read those things because it's all about politics. Like, I don't know. I really like those. Almost rather my brain, man. I don't like so much. Wait a minute, I've seen you before. Do you even go to this school? No, show me what you have. You don't have anything dangerous, do you? Well, I don't have. Only a boomerang to play with. Did you see a strange science lab? I saw him. Oh, you're late, aren't you? I don't know what you're talking about. Have you played Super Mario Bros. 7? Brother 7? I'm still stuck on the third one. It's really tough. Still don't know how to borrowing subtraction. I can't do a cartwheel. Any first grader should know how to do cartwheel, don't you think? I think no. I don't think they don't need to know that. The janitor has the key to the roof, but he won't give it to anyone. I'm Susie. I won the Miss Marysville pageant. Do you think I'm pretty? Yes, you're really cute too. Thank you. I saw Lloyd run off with some explosives. He's in big trouble if a teacher finds him. Yeesh! The kid really likes explosives. Oh, nothing. Nothing here. Small wounds can be treated here, but real sickness must be treated in the hospital. Someone is here. Wait, this isn't the bathroom. I have my hands full at the moment. Come back later. Good. Oh. This one is locked. This up. This one is locked. This one is locked. No problem here. Okay. Okay, no problem here. After this, end the episode. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's go to the second floor. Let's check. Oh. The gym teacher made me do extra push-ups again. I'd rather do sit-ups though. Get lost. To the why blue sky, dandelion fuzz, does fly. La la la, I love music more than anything else. Well, I can see that. I was picking on that weakling Lloyd, but he got Taiwan. Oh my goodness, you've been picking on that weakling Lloyd, haven't you? No, I haven't met the kid yet. Stick bad. Oh my goodness. distinction. Oh, okay. I bet Lloyd will be a computer programmer when he grows up. Keep quiet in the library. Oh my goodness! Oh, no! Where's the... Okay, sa 100. To really... Wait, where's the hospital here? Oh, that's an enemy. Oh my god, dude. Oh my goodness, this is the worst. See you, that feels so. Just wait a moment. Until she sleeps in until noon each day. She won't even pack me a brown bag lunch. Yes. And when she does get up, she goes shopping. Luckily, I hid the credit cards from that woman. Don't you think she's a terrible wife? Yes. Okay. Go on scram. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay, brown bag lunch. No, she was young. She was very pretty. Come to think of it, she's not that bad after all. Say, how about something? Yes, you're a pretty good kid. Oh, that's right, you want to go up to the roof? Alright then, follow me. Bell ring. You know, my wife was the first Miss Marysville in history. Okay, I've unlocked the roof. While you're up there, make sure to take in the view. It is unforgettable. Okay. No problem here. Who are you? Won't come out. We're just gonna pick me. To be my then do you tell that I proceed science? Yes. No. You're my partner. Lloyd. They make buckets at with liter party. So here I wanna launch one really bad. Okay. Okay, let's end for this episode. And this is so stressful to play. I do need to buy some. Wait, where's the department store? Oh, no, it's okay, department store. Okay, save for an awful creature beat me up. If you are going to the station, watch out. Okay, thank you. Variety goods, toys. So the guy behind the counter said that the bears can protect you in battle. That is that email me. I just wanna pick up gifts for my niece and nephew. Well, hi there, what do you need from me? Can I help you with something? Oh! Okay. No. Okay, for now, let's just browse. Hi there, what do you need? Can I help you find something? Okay. Later. Then grab the telephone. Then is that you? Hi honey, the three of us. Oof. Sorry, that was me. The four of us are all okay. I'm still picking up after the house tried to shake its apart. Did you know your lamp broke? I'm just Vargas. Is you hi? This hi. Is organizing the packages and I'm answering the phone. I tell you the number. It's got that. Can we help out? What can I do for you? Come again. Okay. Okay. This is your dad. Oh.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it, and banish all their